Alright, well, it's been 30 minutes and the counter is going down, but 2 minutes. I'm going to release the steam, see what happens. I think it's operator air. I had it on normal, not on high, and that's probably why it's taken so long. So we'll see. I added another 30 minutes, let's see what happens. I think it's my fault. They're not done yet, and yeah, I think I need to turn it up a little more. My mistake. After looking at this book, I should have read it. Temperature mode, low, normal, or high, and I had it on normal. I should have used the manual button, which would have been the pressure cooker. Then I could have just did whatever I wanted. Should have read it first. Alright, anyway. Wow. Let's see what happens. Seems like it's taking a long time to make a pot of beans. I could have been done on the stove already. But it is the first time I'm using this, so I don't know. We'll see. Come on. Here we go. That helps to open it all the way up. Come on. I didn't realize it takes so long to let the steam off. Should drop any minute though. So like I said, I guess it helps to read the book. There we go. Safe to open. Let's see what happens. Well, much better, but I think it needs a little more time. They're edible, but I like them a little bit more to my liking. Let's see. Yeah. They taste good. I'm sure if I just let them soak in here, they'll be fine. I am probably going to it tastes good. I'm probably going to do a few more minutes because I just want it cooked a little more. So, my bad. You know what? I just want a little bit more water. I mean, there's enough juice, but just a little bit. I'm going to put them on for about another 10 minutes, but this time I'm going to put the right setting. My mistake. Cancel that. And this time I'm going to go pressure cooker. Okay, why can't I get higher setting? That's the problem. Operator air, I don't know what I'm doing. No. Cancel. It's back on. Pressure cooker. Pressure level is low, medium, oh, just low and high. Okay, that's the pressure. How do I change this? That's what I wanted to do. It doesn't need that much more time. Maybe 15 minutes at the most. I'm gonna read the book again because apparently I don't know how to set the time yet. But I think it was my fault. Alright, anyway, we'll get back.